loaded na ka na.
You are viewing the street of the old Quebec City now. Okie dokie.
Yung sandwich ko, sandwich ko na lang yun.
Yeah.
Ako ginawa sandwich. Ang lunch ko na yun. Ngayon na kayo.
If you notice, the writings here are in French. The writings on the streets are in French. So you wouldn't understand. Most of the buildings here are Victorian. So we still have Victorian buildings in Toronto. Coming up is another Victorian building.
Malumay siya sa mapakanin siya. Yung basto siya.
Yeah, pagka medyo matigan. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think nakarating ako. Pero parang nag-bound trend lang kami. That's in Quebec, right?
Ano ba ngayon?
So that's have you ever seen? Parang naiintindihan ko rin yung ilong. Oh shit, this is the place. Oh my god, it is so nice.
Can we have one quick picture here, the group picture, and then you can do your own? Please and thank you.
So this is Quebec, the old Quebec. Quebec is the eastern part of Canada. The French people part of Canada, wherein everyone speaks French. And they were planning, Quebec was planning to separate their province from Canada, but they were not successful in doing so. Yeah. Tours. Yeah, this is the Quebec, the Parliament of Quebec. Just like there's Parliament of Ottawa. But Ottawa is the capital city of Canada. Right now I am standing, behind me is the Parliament of Quebec. And that's my friend. Picture ba tayo? Picture tayo. Dapat yung malapit, ano?
Dapat yung malapit.
Yeah. Oh, dito tayo. Okay.
Ano naman ang pants mo?
Yeah. Ano? Oh my God, anong ginawa mo? Hindi ko alam eh. Baka ito. Oh no. Ano mo, tanggalin mo yan. Tapos mag-video ka na ulit. Yeah, that's the natural one. Mag-ano lang ka mga 5 minutes for my video.
Did you go on 7 Smile?
so amazing. Flowery. The old. I don't know about the history of Quebec.
Stop it, there's 3 cameras and everyone want to look at it. All of them. Find them
My destiny. Isn't it so amazing? It's so Victorian.
Naka-ano ng camera niya.
Diyan sa my flower or dun sa ano? Sorry. While I'm videoing. Yung tak-tak? Di makuha yung tuk-tuk eh. Sorry, I'm taking picture at the same time. Ano mo ba? Pinortrait mo? Yeah? Gusto mo ba ng portrait? Naka-portrait siya eh. Oh yeah, naka-ano na. Pwede na po kayong bumili. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Pero pa ano, ako din po. Look, a very unique taxi. Yay!